Hello, it's Melanie here again from Growing My Own. It's almost the end of June and I still have a lot of sweet potatoes to plant out. And I was just looking at my potatoes and these two, this one and this one, start to look yellowish. So I'm going to harvest them. It's not quite 120 days, but I need this bucket to finish planting out my sweet potatoes. Even if they are small, that's gonna be good. So, and I've been itching to harvest potatoes. I already did half bin over there. I just dug some out one day and make breakfast with it. Anyway, this is my first official potato harvest. So I'm just keeping my finger crossed to see what's in it. I'm just gonna go ahead and dump this out. I'm not fully prepared for this harvesting because my wheelbarrow is way in the back down there. It's been raining all day. It's cloudy. It seems like it's gonna be raining soon again. So I don't have the wheelbarrow to dump this out, and this is the only thing I have a little tray, so I don't think all the dirt will be. Let me see. Yes, so far there's a little tiny one. Oh, these look like they're far from ready. Wow, these look like rosettes. Are there really no potatoes? Oh, here it is. These are rosette. These are small. Oh, I think there are two different kind in here. Yeah, now if I make this stay a little longer, I'll get some larger size potatoes. I think I planted these in the first week of April. Usually I plant my potatoes in March, but I didn't get around to doing this. Yeah, so these are like, they're just starting to grow, as you can see. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Okay. I'm just gonna transfer this dirt into this bucket and see if I find anything else. This is my second bucket. So you can see the stalks are still green and fat. There's one on top right there. This one turned green. There's one right here. I'm not expecting anything big. I just need the containers because I still have a lot of potatoes to harvest, and I have some volunteer all over the place. Oh. I think I put a lot in this one because I end up with a lot of extras. So I was just stuffing them each and everywhere. Here is some more Yukon, some of those white ones. Yeah, the Yukon Gold grow faster than the white. Not Yukon Gold, the rosettes. The whites are still pretty young. Oh, I just went through a rotten seed potato. Oh, there's a nice size white one. It's not turning out so bad after all. It's been raining for days, and the bottom of this, the middle is still dry. Okay, I'm using one hand because I'm holding the camera with one hand. I didn't want to put up the tripod in the sun. Just a moment ago it looked like it was gonna rain. Now the sun is out. Anyway, I'm gonna pause this and dig through this a second time and see if there's anything else. Well, I mend the soil and finally I get to plant out some of my sweet potato. These are some Beauregard in this and some Japanese purple. This is what I end up getting from those 2 containers. Yep. It's better than I thought because I know it's far from the date, the harvest date. But I need those buckets and these can still be eaten. Anyway, thanks for watching, my friend. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave a thumbs up. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think about this video. Please subscribe to my channel so you can see what next I'll be posting. Bye.